You looking for
now
it.
the fly has landed on Manny.
That nigga's looking
He
for
don't
it.
even give a fuck. He just lands on anything close to him. Because he's fucked up.
He don't even want to leave.
Dude, you should walk with him, dude. Like, walk over.
What the fuck? Nigga got a pet fly, dog.
Walk around the table, dude.
A bar baby.
Yeah. Let's see if he's back. There he is. Dude, you should, I don't know. He's on the move. There he is. Still in the hood. Still fucked up.
What the fuck?
He just fucked up, man. He doesn't have any motive. Damn, he doesn't give a fuck how close I get.
That nigga's high, man.
He's out.
Shit.
Damn, look how close he is. I could be doing research right now, dude. This footage. Cleaning himself. Getting jumpy. Tweaking. He's like, damn, man, look at that shit off his front, whatever, tentacles. Holy shit, man, I could kill him if I wanted to, but he's just too cool, dude. See if he gets on my finger.
Yo, fool.
I heard him there. He's hitting the glass.